Yeah, yeah. What's up, everybody, man? I came to the Walmart. I was doing some digging, man. I've been wanting to get that Nissan set. Take a look. I found these stashed, and of course, they already took the Silverado and the Camaro. But even then, I would have just taken the Skylines and the T1s. I don't know much about the Silverado being lifted, but a little swap would have been great. But man, somebody stashed this. I'm definitely gonna take them. Now, yeah, these four right here will do for me. So whoever stashed them, much appreciated, man. Take a look. This is the BCN R33, man. Great casting. I like the wheels. It's kind of like looking like the one on the Team Transport with the graphics. And man, let's not forget about this BW Outlaw, and it is slammed too, man. This thing is really low. T1. This is the Urban Outlaw. Take a look, guys. Urban Outlaw. Very nice. LTS is split. But yeah, man. Unfortunately, no Silverados, but that is expected, man. If you find this set, whoever gets dips, they're gonna take the Silverado right away. I would have taken these two, but well, I am taking these two, or these two of each. Would have taken the Silverado as well, but for now, this will do. So stay hunting, guys, and I mean, if you're already a Walmart, might as well spend time and look around. Somebody stashed this. Thank you, whoever did it. Much appreciated. And on the live stream, I know somebody was saying about the Subaru SBX. This is the one I had in mind. I just didn't recall the name, but this is the one. Anything else? Not really, man. Old stuff now. And that's about it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep taking a good look, because there might be some other ones, some other boxes of stash. But anyway, see you guys, and for now, stay hunting, alright? Yeah, I feel bad, man, taking these guys' boxes and leaving it behind empty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back, and not so empty. So I mean, it's a big surprise for whoever put it back there, or wherever it is that it was. Yeah, it's not what you expected, but it's not empty at least. Yeah, you know what I'm saying.